Meaning of haughtily.
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 Haughtily. Haughtily is an adverb that describes a behavior of someone who displays an arrogant or superior attitude towards others. If someone speaks or behaves haughtily, they convey the impression that they believe themselves to be better than those around them. This behavior often displays a lack of respect for other people's opinions or feelings. In short, behaving haughtily can make others feel inferior and can lead to conflict or resentment. Therefore, it's important to be aware of our own attitudes and ensure that we treat others with respect and kindness.